Today, we got some exciting news about Huawei's next big move in the tech world, the launch of HarmonyOS Next. This new operating system marks a significant step forward for Huawei as it continues to challenge Android and iOS. Let's dive into all the details about this new OS and what it means for the future of mobile technology. Huawei has been under intense pressure due to US-imposed sanctions, but the Chinese tech giant has continued to innovate and stay in the game. After releasing the incredible trifold Mate XT, Huawei is now ready to launch its very own mobile operating system, HarmonyOS Next. And what makes this OS so special? It's completely independent, no Android support this time. That's right, HarmonyOS Next is scheduled to launch later this September. This could be a final chapter in Huawei's long journey to break free from Android and compete head-on with Apple's iOS in the domestic Chinese market. Huawei first introduced HarmonyOS back in August 2019 after being added to the US trade blacklist, which restricted its access to American technologies, including Android. However, this didn't stop the Huawei from pushing forward. Now HarmonyOS is running on over 900 million devices worldwide. And the big news? Huawei is set to release the pure-blood HarmonyOS Next, a completely self-developed operating system that no longer supports Android-based apps. During the China International Fair for Trade and Services in Beijing, Cheng Xingxin, General Manager of HarmonyOS Industry Solutions, officially announced that HarmonyOS Next will be unveiled at the end of September. Chen emphasized that this version of the OS is built entirely from scratch by Huawei, making it fully independent and autonomous. This is a huge leap forward for the company as it moves away from relying on any external software support. Huawei is also making massive investments to support the growth of HarmonyOS Next, with plans to invest over 7 billion yuan, which is around $987 million. The company is focusing on native applications and technical services to boost the HarmonyOS ecosystem, 17% of China's smartphone market, doubling its share from the same period in 2022. With numbers like these, Huawei's HarmonyOS is now officially the second largest mobile operating system in China, surpassing Apple's iOS. So what does this all mean for Huawei and its users? Well, with the launch of HarmonyOS Next, Huawei is solidifying its position as a tech powerhouse that doesn't need to rely on foreign technology. It's also giving users more choice when it comes to mobile operating systems, especially in China. That's it for today's video.